So we are flying the Airbus A330-900 today by, I think it's fly-by-wire, not exactly sure. We've already set up FMC and everything, and yeah, let's just get this departure brief for you guys. So we're taking off runway 01 here in Cape Town, and we're flying to Kimberley Airport also in South Africa. Restrictions that I see, no big restrictions other than cross CTR boundary minimum 2500. We've already got our IFR clearance, so we're cleared via the Cody 1 Alpha departure. We're climbing up to 350. Let's go ahead and get our autopilot set here. So I'm going to set my heading to runway heading, which is about 01 on the heading. There we go, so that's about runway heading. Let's get our altitude up to 35,000 feet. And let's see if we can get some vertical speed already going here. Alright, so they give us taxi clearance via Alpha and Bravo. Let's see where we are. Oh, look at that, we got some of you guys flying. Because I've only got live traffic on. Who's that? Pilot girl. Panther, what are you doing? What are you doing, bud? In your A380. I'm trying to wave at him. And there goes Mr. Panther in his A380. Alright, let's keep going. And I forgot where the rejected takeoff button is, guys. So let's get our engines. We're looking at about 92% here. Alright, and spool our engines up. They're both working nicely. And setting takeoff thrust here, right about there. And yeah, this is going to be a nice quick takeoff. Holding the center line. 100 knots, 120. We're rotating at 140 here. Rotate. And we are off. And gear up. And we are climbing straight out. And there we go. Alright, told us to contact Cape Town Center, so we'll go ahead and do that. It's just going from takeoff thrust to... Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn autopilot on here. We should be on nav mode and auto throttle. Selected speed hold on. Let's put our flaps up here. We should be making this left turn now.